Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm Batul, student of social digital marketing and SEO course at Onez Commerce. So the topic of our today's presentation is revolving around a question, which is the least important area in which to include your keywords. So the answer to this question is meta keywords. Meta keywords is the area in which if you don't include any keywords, it doesn't matter, because meta keywords is invisible to visitors, but visible to search engines. So before finalizing that meta keywords are least important area to include keywords, let's clarify the concept what meta keywords are. Meta keywords are a type of meta tag that appear in HTML code of a web page and provide search engines with more information about a page. And these keywords are only for search engines and cannot be seen on the page by regular website visitors. And meta keywords are commonly used by search engines in the past to help determine what page was about. And most meta keywords have been devalued by most of them from past 12 to 15 years. And meta keywords don't provide any kind of direct benefits to SEOs and are even considered bad practice by some practitioners. So moving forward, are meta keywords still relevant in 2022? Although they were an important part of SEO in past, but now they don't offer much value to SEO. So it's pretty much clear that the meta keyword tag is dead in terms of SEO values. And it was reviewed that webmasters added as many meta keywords to pages as possible. In a result, search engine such as Google devalued many keywords back in 2002. Since then, opinion vary about this topic, and some SEOs still using meta keywords. They said that they're good for that, and some are against it. So here comes the final question, that why meta keywords are considered devalued in SEO. In early days of SEO, it was common practice to use as many high volume meta keywords as possible on website to reach Google's page one. But since it can be abused easily by site owners, meta keywords are already devalued as ranking signal by major search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo. So in a nutshell, don't waste your time on meta keywords tag. Instead of thinking about which keyword to put in that silly tag of 5 minutes, just think about your content for 5 minutes longer. Really, it will worth it. Or spend your time doing actual keyword research, because while the meta keyword is dead, keywords are still very much alive and useful for ranking. Thank you so much for listening. This is all from my side. Allah Hafiz.